Welcome to my channel PQS for Lion Corporation decided to cancel the airing of its Hagaki Plus commercial after receiving numerous complaints that the sound used in the ad closely resembled the J Alert Japan National Emergency Alert System. Many viewers expressed concern that the sound could cause unnecessary panic or confusion. In response, the company promptly removed the ad and issued an apology for any distress caused. This swift action highlighted the importance of sagacity and advertising, especially when using sound associated with public safety.